Dear customers, dear visitors, thank you for coming to IDC exhibition. My name is Larry. I am very grateful that you stepped into this special section of nano-coating board for ball valve. Actually, it is a very tiny field as ball valve is ball valve. Anyway, today I will deliver something rather than explaining what ball valve is. Look at the strange green balls on my desk and what inside of ball valve looks like. Yes, it is completely different from shining chromed one. We started 4 years ago research of different coating, mainly for 3 reasons. First, chrome plating process is not environmentally friendly at all. Second, the extraction of nickel to water has been an issue for plumbing industry. We know nickel is not good to health. It is always considered toxic element to be analyzed and measured. And the last was resistance to lime scale. We hoped that other coating could be better performance than chroming. We tried a couple of options and then we realized those were not the one for us. We continued searching solution and got touched kitchenware industry. We dived into this different field. We learned, we studied, and we tried. Now we are producing and delivering ball valve into market. We hope what we have done could bring customers new solutions. Please talk to me or my colleague for details. Enjoy the tour. Thank you.
Dear customers, I am now introducing a coating solution to ball valve, nano coating board. The coating is applicable for water with 3 features: environmentally friendly process, away from nickel extraction, and better lime scale resistance. We used to try different solutions and finally decided to be with nano coating. It came from kitchenware industry, their pans, pots, and service plates to be made with the technology. We learned and studied the material. It was proved to be acceptable for food grade with FDA approval. Also, comply with RoHS. We believed it was good for drinking water application. Then, a series of trials and tests were carried out. We did intensive testing on brass and steel base. Scratching test was done. It was well within the acceptable level. Scratching test was performed according to TÜV standard on kitchenware. We did tests with 7-inch hardness tip tool and it was easily passed. Endurance to temperature change. It was far more than water application. Under heat quench up to 400 degrees Celsius, there was no blister and fine crack. Abrasion resistance. As showed, it was weight moving go and forth on flat test piece for 8,000 or 3,000 cycles. We further went on to validate it as a complete ball valve. So far, we validated water application from 1/2 inch to 2 inch with different pressure range and both brass and stainless steel base. We did standard tests and also lime scale performance tests. Life cycle test is one of the key tests and it was proved to be very good for abrasion endurance. We did it over 4 times of EN standard. Other major standards are equivalent to EN. CAS salt spray test was done versus chrome-plated bore. 72 hours equals to the highest sanitary wear requirement. Comparison limescale resistance tests were done with chrome-plated ball valves. Nano-coating ball suffered distinctive less limescale on surface, which indicated less attraction to jams too. Please ask my colleague for details. Again, thank you very much to IDC e-exhibition.